Paul and Paul are trying to set the tent up.
Paul and Paul. Paul and Paul, you're on camera.
Have you ever set a tent up before?
Mine's up. Just let everyone know it's not my tent.
Right, so welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody's doing alright. Right, so GoPro's running, Donna's in car, camping weekend at Squires, taking Phoebe with us. Suspension setting dynamic, road mode enabled. Let's go. Should be about 10 of us altogether, so it should be a good laugh. Weather's looking fine. In fact, it's absolutely roasting. Got my new jacket on. My other jacket starting to fade with sun. Sun were bleaching it, so it was starting to go an horrible browny, orangey colour. So bought us a new jacket. No, mega expensive. It's got padding in elbows and in back, fully Kevlar lined. Got it from a shop called Bike Gear Direct, and it's made by TechSpeed. So I'll show you it when I'm off bike. Yeah, so we've got a good route planned for tomorrow, so we're going to meet up today. I think Ray and Paul are getting here at about 6. It's 3 o'clock now. No, it's not. It's 3:45 now. So they're coming over. There's a couple of other guys coming over from that way. I know Steve Metcalf, he's coming up from Derbyshire way on, bottom end of Sheffield. Paul Flynn coming up from Tuxford, near Workstop, Newark, that area. So yeah, plan for today is to meet up, have a few beers, have a laugh, get something to eat, just sit round, have a natter and a catch up, and then tomorrow setting off at 8:30, heading over towards Seaways Cafe, whichever Wolds way, top side of York, that way on towards Stamford Bridge, and then up towards Castle Howard, making his way up through Whattonley Hall up to Stokesley, and then back down to Elmsley. We'll have a break there and have something to eat, and then from there we're going to head over towards Ripon and Masham, stop at Masham, have a coffee and a drink, and then back through Harrogate, Airwood way, and back into Squires that way on. So it's going to be about 200 mile thereabouts. And if weather's like this, which it said it's going to be, it should be a good day. I think we'll be on bikes at about 5.5–6 hours in total, so we're just going to be taking it steady. And back to Squires, have a few beers. Everybody buggers off home on Sunday. It'd be good to see everybody again. It were a good laugh at Tuxford when we met up. I know there's a big meet up at New Broome in August, so that should be good. It's either July or August. I'm sure it's July. Might be August, I can't remember. One of them anyway. But yeah, Donna's in car again, because we've got our camping gear, big tent. If we're camping, we want to do it in comfort, so rather than shove everything on bike and weight bike down, it's just as easy. It's on a dark road, so she's in car. I tell you what, this helmet that I'm wearing, the HJC carbon one, I must have been putting a bit of weight on, because it was starting to crush my face, and it was as if I couldn't talk properly. But I've been busy in garden all week doing fence and that, putting a new fence up and stuff, and I must have lost a bit of weight because my helmet's fitting perfectly again. The thing is though, when you're buying helmets, they're not cheap. So it's just it's cheap. Rather than buy a new helmet, it's cheaper to lose weight. Riding with visor open because it's absolutely roasting. Yeah, we've been to Squires shitloads of times, but we've never camped there. I mean, it's like, why would you camp half an hour down road? But it's got a lovely feel, lovely setup. So I'm looking forward to this. Donna were in two minds whether to go home tonight and come back tomorrow and camp tomorrow night. Because youngest lad who's in army, Billy, is home for a week. But I said to her, you know, we don't see him anyway, because when he is home, he's out with mates or he's out with George as eldest lad. Like today, they've gone to the skate park, so just said, get your sen off, mum, enjoy your sen. I'll tell you what, I've been looking at this GoPro footage and it's absolutely awesome. I followed some settings I found online, this downhill biker, because what I noticed is that when I was travelling and obviously going past bushes and that, it was like right blurry, and I thought, this is crap, this. Anyway, I was tweaking about with settings, and you've seen all this before then, what I've got GoPros and that, but anyway, I'll tell you my story because it is interesting. Anyway, we're looking and I found this downhill mountain biker lad, and he was saying try these settings and this, that and other, and he went and did a video on it, and it's made a massive difference. You can probably see a bit of detail in bushes as I'm going past now, whereas before it was just a blur. Watch this saying that, you probably won't be able to see it and I'll be talking out of my arse. I will get to Squires and I bet it's absolutely rammed. Christ, I only put a little post on Facebook saying that we were going to be at Squires. Didn't expect to turn out like this. Right, so we've arrived at Squires. We've just set up. I didn't video us setting up because me and Donna normally fall out, but Donna's just chilling.
bloody red heart.
Yeah. Phoebe in there.
Hello?
You haven't tried ringing me, have you?
Yeah, but
I'm in Sherburn now looking for the Squires thing.
Oh, for God's sake.
You guys. The back. Full left.
what are you eating, Donna?
Chocolate.
Yeah, and then peg them. Yeah.
Don't you think it'd be better rub around me? Donna's had half a can of lager, she's pissed.
No, I've had a full can.
No, you haven't.
I
I just
have.
finished it off for you.
I only left about that much. It
Yeah,
got,
like dregs, that's all
yeah.
spit and goes.
well,
Paul and Paul are trying to set the tent up.
Paul and Paul. Paul and Paul, you're on camera.
Have you ever set a tent up before?
Mine's up. Just let everyone know it's not my tent. Oh, God.
That's Paul's tent over there. In fact, I'm going to go up and see how walk round Paul's bike with camera. This is Paul's. This is Paul 3 or Paul 4. Is it Paul 4? Paul 3 or Paul 4? Paul 3, isn't it?
Yeah.
This is Paul 3's other bike.
Do you wish you'd never offered to help?
It's a complicated one, this.
It's not, it's just everything I touch turns to shite.
You should have learned that last week. Yeah, it was good.
It's a big tent, isn't it? Just for you.
It's bigger than yours.
Are you going to put your settee in there as well?
I can get his bike.
I can put my bike in it, everything.
Well, they're fancy tent poles, aren't they?
That's it. Everything's fancy about this, including the fancy price, but
Do you just roll them round? Like wrap them like...
This one's coming in.
it's actually really easy to put up if you know what you're doing. Looking up, so.
Yeah, I just let Donna do it.
That just wants winning that boot, isn't it?
If you do what I do, it's like look harmless, somebody normally takes pity on you and comes and helps out.
I ain't seen any. I've just been putting my cans down there.
Right, we just need these pegging in roughly, don't we?
What's that? That ain't a slug, is it?
No, it's a bit of bread.
No, it's not bread.
It's just a bit of sponge.
Oh.